Using only the contents of this bag, we are about to shut down 4 Chevron gas stations in unceded Coast Salish territory, also known as Vancouver.
In 1964, Chevron subsidiary Texaco drilled for oil in the Amazon rainforest in eastern Ecuador. Over the next 30 years, Chevron intentionally dumped over 16 billion gallons of toxic waste into streams and rivers, contaminating an area the size of Rhode Island.
30,000 indigenous plaintiffs are suing.
From Ecuador to the traditional territory of the Ahunastotan clan, Chevron has a long history of invading indigenous communities.
Unceded means that we've never surrendered or sold, or we've never lost it to war. It's always belonged to my people. And the government or the province, federal government, doesn't have no deed showing that we sold our land or anything like that. About 4 years ago, we decided to start a camp right directly in the path of Enbridge and Pacific Trails Pipelines route. So we started out by putting up a log cabin right in a GPS route and decided from there that we wanted to build a permanent camp.
The Pacific Trails Pipeline is an approved $1.2 billion project. The 3 original owners have all abandoned this doomed plan. Now Chevron stands alone as the only remaining stakeholder. Chevron is also one of the world's leading contributors to climate change. Our destabilizing climate has already killed thousands of people and displaced millions from their homelands. First and foremost, these climate disasters impact the communities least responsible for creating this crisis. Namely, indigenous people and people of color in the global south, and women in particular. This means that Chevron is directly profiting off the death and displacement of millions of our sisters, brothers, mothers, fathers, daughters and sons. This is the continuation of centuries of colonial violence. This must end. But we know it will not end until more of us start taking action to confront business as usual. Today we are using simple black locks and our bodies to lock up over 80 Chevron fuel pumps. In doing so we disrupt Chevron's ability to profit in our communities. This is just a start. Chevron must abandon its dangerous plans to invade Ahunastotan traditional territory with the Pacific Trails Pipeline. Any attempts to force this project through without consent will be met with the force of our collective courage. We are only starting to discover what we are capable of when we work together. The ultimate impact of this simple act will be determined by you. Chevron is also in your neighborhoods. If a few small groups of friends can lock down this many gas stations, imagine what hundreds or even thousands of us could do. The time has come. Evict Chevron. Evict big oil from stolen indigenous land.